Okay, now we are going to discuss about parturition. Parturition. What is the meaning of parturition? After developing the baby of fetus, totally developed fetus, the process of delivery which is totally developed fetus, okay, it is expelling outside the body. The process of delivery of fetus, developed fetus in outside the body, expelled outside the body, that is we can call parturition. Okay, parturition. What is the meaning of parturition? Parturition is the process of delivery of the fetus or child which is developed. Okay, that means after 9 months, after 280 days, what will be happen? The total body is the baby is formed. Then after baby formed, what will be happening in mother womb? It starts from contractions of uterus walls. The uterus wall starts from contractions. When the uterus walls starts from contractions, automatically cervix is diluted. Okay, the baby is coming through with vaginal opening in outside. Okay, that means through with uterus it is enter into the outside the body. Okay, so that this process is called parturition. What is the meaning of parturition? The process of delivery of the fetus. Which fetus? Fully developed fetus. The process of delivery of the fully developed fetus. That means baby, nothing but baby. Okay, fully developed fetus. It is delivery, that is we can call, especially for that is we can call parturition. Okay, what is the reason of parturition? What is the first sign of parturition? In parturition, when the baby developed in female body, in female womb, mother uterus, automatically what we start herself, it starts from labor pains. What is the meaning of labor pain? Labor pain is very stressful, very strong, rhythmic pain, that is equal to, for example, when the bone is broke down, at the time when we feel that much of pain, more than that much of pain, okay, especially cause of labor pain. What is the meaning of labor pain? It is a signing of what? Delivery. It is a signing of delivery. First of all, what will be happen when the baby is totally formed? It's showing what? Labor pain. Starts from when before delivery, it's showing what? Labor pain. What is the meaning of labor pain? A series of strong rhythmic uterine contractions. A series. That means lot of pain. Okay, a series of strong rhythmic uterine contraction that push the fetus and placenta outside the body. That is we can call labor pains. What is the meaning of labor pains? Labor pain is nothing but a series of, that is a pain, especially a series of strong rhythmic uterine contractions. Why uterine is contract? The baby is formed. After that one, what will be uterus starts from contraction. When it is contracts, the survival, what we call cervix what? Dilute, and the baby is moving outside the body. Okay. For example, this is the female reproductive system. In female reproductive system, the baby is totally fetus is what? These uterus walls are starts from contraction. When the uterus walls starts from contraction, automatically baby is moving downward. Here having cervix. The cervix diluted, it through with vaginal opening, the baby is coming outside the body. The first head is entered into the outside the body. Okay. For example, what are the reason for this? And automatically when the fetus is well developed, in female body, the labor pains are started. Already we learnt about what is labor pain. And these labor pains, it gives signals. Who gives signal? The fetus, which is fully developed fetus, and placenta. Okay. These placenta and fully developed fetus gives signals to the uterus walls, so that what will be happen? It is releasing the hormone. What hormone? Oxytocin hormone. The important in process of pasteurization, the hormone oxytocin is very important for pasteurization. It is releasing, it is increasing. What is the main role of oxytocin? Oxytocin, the main role of oxytocin, it causes what? Strong uterine contractions. When the uterine is what? For example, this is uterine. Contract, the baby is moving downward. Okay? The cause of these contractions, the hormone name is oxytocin. The oxytocin is useful for increase the cause of strong uterine contraction. When the strong uterine contraction, this leads to expulsion. Expulsion means what? Moving outside. Expulsion of the baby outside the uterus through birth canal, through vagina. Okay, this thing is occurs in the pasteurization. Very simple. What is the meaning of pasteurization? Pasteurization means what? The process of delivery of fully developed fetus or child is called, that is pasteurization. At the first sign of pasteurization, after baby developed, in female body labor pains are started. What is labor pain? A series of strong rhythmic uterine contractions that pushes the fetus and placenta outside the body. That is we can call labor pains. Labor pain is more stressful and pain. Okay, and fetal ejection reflex. That means after fully developed fetus and placenta giving the signals for delivery. So that is we can call fetal ejection reflex. So that when the fetus is it gives the what signals, triggers, automatically oxytocin is releasing. This oxytocin is cause of what? Strong uterine contractions. Okay, and thus that strong uterine contractions, this leads to expulsion of the baby. Expulsion means releasing outside the baby, out of the body, out of the uterus through birth canal or vagina. Okay, this process is called pasteurization. Okay, you have to remember. Okay, what is pasteurization? What is labor pain? What is fetal ejections of reflex? That is the signals which are given by fetus and placenta. And then when the fetus and placenta giving the signals, triggers, automatically oxytocin is released. Oxytocin is useful for uterine contractions, more uterine, strong uterine contraction. This leads to expulsion of the baby. That is we can call pasteurization. Okay, in the process of pasteurization, not only oxytocin leads very important role in the process of pasteurization, and some more hormones also useful for pasteurization. For example, oxytocin. Okay, we have to discuss about other hormones which are involved in the process of pasteurization. What are the oxytocin? Oxytocin we can call extra information. This is oxytocin we can call hormone of love. Oxytocin what we call hormone of love. Okay, this one oxytocin is useful for love making, fertility of women, contractions of labor, that means what? Uterus walls, releasing of milk in breastfeeding also, releasing of milk also, oxytocin is useful. So that oxytocin is called hormone of love. Okay, after that one, endorphins. Endorphin is, especially it is releasing, it is nothing, when we feel what more pains, especially for labor pains, it is what? Relieving pains, that relieving the pains. So that we can call pain relieving hormones. That is we can call endorphins. And next one, adrenaline. Already we know about adrenaline gland. Adrenaline what? Fight and flight hormone. What we call fight and flight hormone. It actually by the time of birth time, it increase the fear, especially for who are pregnant ladies, for them having delivered time, they can have a lot of fear. The cause of fear in their body releasing more adrenaline hormone. Okay, and this adrenaline hormone it also cause of, it is a slow down the labor pains. And next one, prolactin hormone. The prolactin hormone is other name mothering hormone. Try to remember mothering hormone. This is useful for releasing of what milk, breastfeeding, and in the process of prolactin, especially prolactin is useful for parturition also. Parturition means what? The birth time, it is the baby is moving from uterus, contraction of uterus walls, enter into the vagina, and through with cervix, enter into the cervix to vaginal opening. That means this moving of baby, the contraction of muscles of what? Uterus, cervix and vaginal opening, the cause of what? Prolactin. Prolactin is useful for production of milk, breastfeeding, and also useful in the process of parturition also. Okay, thank you. This is information about parturition.